So far throughout the day, gold failed to go past 1661. At the same time, it did not breach 1645 either. Yes, I hope, as I said today morning, that you can remain long till the time it trades above 1650, and you can expect 1661, 65, 70 levels. It has precisely achieved this. At the same time, US 30 and US 100 both trading extremely bullish, carrying forward the bullishness from yesterday. Now, what can be expected today with the US cash session? We will see with the with the help of charts and indicators. First, we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, and in the end, Dow Jones. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Missing on to subscribe, this channel is missing on the profits. Let's start. First, we'll look into, yes, also press the bell icon because next update will be up before the Asia session tomorrow, very early in the day. Now see, on the hourly charts, gold is again trading in this consolidation phase. We saw this earlier today, and it is trying to trade within this zone itself. 1650 levels, again a very good support, and no trade between 1645 and 50, that is for sure. And on the upside, you have to be now cautious of 1655. Yes, you can take a trade above 1655, but rather I will say stay away in between 1655 and 1650 and 1660 levels for this $10 movement. Stay away, let it break past 1660 this time, and certainly you can buy there and it may fly from there. If it trades above 1660 levels, yes, you can take a buy position and definitely it will fly on the upside. At the same time, below 1650, possibly it can try to drop, but I don't think so that it may try to break 1645. But yes, if it breaks 1645, certainly more bearishness will be seen. Directional movement not indicative of anything. The stochastic trading at bottom, trying to bounce back from there. MACD not indicative of anything. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you will find, so it is trading across the 20 period median. Yes, taking the support at 1650 levels for sure. Lower highs are seen. Lower highs, yes, getting the resistance from the 50 period average here. Yes, if you see it trading above 1660, definitely you can take a buy position. At the same time, 1650 is definitely a good support. Below 1650, you can expect that we may see a little drop. But then again, 1645 is the level you should watch out for. So it is looking forward to a breakout. Whichever direction it tries to break out should give it a very strong move, as it is trying to consolidate here. Hence, above 1660, definitely you should take a buy position there. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is in green. RSI looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, this is trying to consolidate. Again, higher lows, lower highs are seen. Hence, wait for it to break past 1660 or 1645 levels. Yes, 1650 is a good support, but now you can take a sell entry at 1645. So for these $10-15, you have to remain extremely cautious and vigilant. Rather, avoid trading for this $15. Let it give a breakout, and then only you should take a position. Directional movement moderately bearish but not indicative of anything strong. Stochastic looking downwards on the 3-hour charts. MACD is in green, trading with very little divergence. RSI is still looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. Now look at the 4-hour charts here. See, on the 4-hour charts, a flat bottom is seen here. At the same time, lower highs are seen. It is trying to consolidate. Let it give a breakout and then only trade. Yes, on the downside, 1645 is definitely a very strong support. On the upside, 1660 is a very strong resistance. Trading above 1660, buy above 1660 only, or sell below 1645. Those who wants to take a safe trade, only sell below 1645. Direction movement moderately bearish here. Stochastic was at bottom, trying to rise a little. The MACD is in green. It is divergent bullish. RSI is looking upwards. And on the daily charts also, it is the same situation. You will find higher lows, at the same time lower highs, precisely consolidating here. And yes, I will wait for a breakout either which ways. If it's not today, possibly tomorrow, it is going to give you a stronger breakout. Whichever direction it takes, it is going to be a good breakout. 1670 is definitely a stronger resistance, and beyond that we may see 1680, 85 levels as the next target, then 1700. On the downside, if it breaks below 1645, you can sell there. 1640 is the next support. Below 1640, you can expect a sharper drop, and this time it is not going to stay there at 1640. If it breaks this, definitely you can expect 1624, 1618, 1610, 1600, in fact 1590 levels. Yes, if it breaks on the downside below 1640, certainly more bearishness extreme bearishness will be seen. That breakout is going to be strong. Be careful of that. Do not trade between 45 and 60 levels. 1645 and 60 levels, very clear. Directional movement bearish, stochastic at trading oversold zone. The MACD is bearish here, trading with little divergence. RSI is trading flat near to bottom. Considering this, take position only above and below 45 and 60 levels. On the upside, you have to trade with a strict trailing stop loss. With a $3 gap, you can put a trailing stop loss, or else just put a stop loss at your entry price when you see your trade is in profit, such that you can preserve your capital in case of a reversal, because see, on the upside it has got a stronger resistance as it is trying to consolidate, and hence you have to put a stop loss at cost and trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, first of all, you look at the performance of our signals channel. I have posted it into the community here, the snapshot of last 3 weeks performance, and it's just tremendous performance. We have gained almost the results are phenomenal. 2000 points on Dow Jones, 1000 points on Nasdaq, 600 points on Germany. So it's a beautiful across indices and commodities. We have profited wonderfully. You can also join signals channel. Else, first thing is to learn, and if you can learn first, then definitely you need not take any signals. You can just become independent and trade according to your own analysis. For that, you can join my 16th mentorship batch starting on 7th of November. Do not miss this opportunity to be part of this mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details, either for the signals channel or for the training program. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my pattern group and support the effort out there. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100 trading at 11,290, 11,300, definitely a stronger resistance. I told you yesterday, and I told several times, above 11,200 it is trying to trade bullish, and then 11,300, 400, 500, these are the next resistance level. Now 11,300 giving it a stronger resistance. Now look at the hourly charts trading in this channel. The highs of this channel now at 11,400. So yes, also look at the hourly chart. This is the first green candle, possibly a follow green candle, and then couple of more green candles will take it till towards 11,400, the next target, and then 11,500 cannot be denied. Yes, you can buy there at 11,320 and stay long. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic has dropped a little, now trying to look upwards again. The MACD is into the sell side, but it is trading with very little divergence, or rather hand in hand. It may cross over again. RSI near to overbought levels. Now look at the 2 hour charts. On the 2 hour charts, after a little retracement, again a rise. Also look at the candles there. See the previous 3 candles, 4 candles, lower highs, lower lows, and this is the breakout. Hence, this is the first red candle also forming double top. How it behaves, the next candle will decide the direction. You can sell below 11,200 and buy above 11,320. But remember, 11,200, 11,150 is the next destination, very nearby support, and below that it will continue with the bearish momentum there. 11,100, 11,000 levels, the next support level will come into picture. So sell at 11,200, expect 11,150, 100, 11,000. These are the 3 support levels. Below that it will continue with the bearish momentum. On the upside, buy at 11,320, expect 11,400 levels to get achieved, and beyond that further 11,500 cannot be denied. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic comfortable. The MACD divergent and bullish here. The RSI entering into overbought levels. And if you look at the 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour charts, see this couple of retracement candle, and then this breakout double top is done, and I will wait for it to break past this zone and trade past 11,300 levels. Certainly 11,320 is a very good level to go long, and then you can expect that the second green candle can be further strong, taking it till towards 11,400 levels. 11,350 and nearest milestone, then 11,400, and then 11,500 will be seen. 500 is a very good resistance. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic overbought. The MACD divergent and bullish. RSI overbought, and hence in between 320 and 200 do not trade, and below 200 certainly you can expect that we are looking at 11,150 as the major support. Rather, I will say 11,140, which is a major level, and below that you can expect 11,100 as the support. If it breaks 11,100, certainly 11,000 levels will be seen, and below that it is going to continue with the bearish momentum. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic overbought on the 4 hour charts. The MACD divergent and bullish, and it is again come to the green zone here. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. This is the second green candle. Now what are the second green candle, and in fact it has breached past the 11200 levels, which is a stronger resistance. And see, this is, it has the support at 11140 120 levels. Now two possibilities can happen here. Yes, first thing is, this is the highs of this channel, and that one need to be cautious of. This is definitely the highs of this channel, and if it breaks past this, certainly more bullishness can be expected. 11400 600 levels, the 600 is the next destination which it may try to achieve. We have to be careful here, and hence I'll wait for it to breach past 11320 350 zone. Then it is certainly going to remain bullish. That is point number one. Scenario two, that it has seen the highs, and now from 140 to 300, almost 150 points, 160 points, and from there a possibility that it can go on the downside, taking 160 points and close here at around these level, creating a doji for the today, and possibly a next candle will start with a rise. So this is another probability, hence you have to wait for it. If it breaks past 11320, take a buy position there, expect 11350 first target, then 11400 next target, and beyond that definitely it is going to fly high till towards 500 and 600. 600 is the next milestone which it may try to achieve. Definitely a stronger resistance there. Now look at the direction movement. It is crossing over for a bullish move here on the daily charts. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD has certainly crossed over. This is divergent, this is bullish. Second green candle, probably a third green candle here can appear today. RSI looking upwards. Considering this, buy at 11320, sell at 11200. But remember, 11140 first milestone, very strong support, then 11100 next, very strong support, and then 11000 will come into picture. Only bearishness is below 11000 level. Till it is above 11000, I will not consider this as bearish for the day. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones on the hourly charts trading across this channel, and if you connect the dots on the highs and the lows, you'll find 3800 and 3950 31000 levels are definitely a milestone which it can try to achieve. Now remember, this is on the hourly charts, it has got the resistance there at 3720 levels, 3740 zone, and possibly achieving this. How it behaves is going to be important, because it has seen such rise there. Possibility of a reversal exists, and then you can expect 3500 major support, 3400 the major support here. Below 3400 certainly little more bearishness can be expected. Then you can expect it to drop till towards 3200 30000 levels, else it may continue with the bullish momentum and achieve 39950 31000 levels. Direction movement bullish, stochastic rising from the bottom. The MACD not indicative of anything. RSI is near to overbought levels. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts again, see, this was an extreme rise, and this is the channel it is trying to trade in. The highs of this channel certainly at around 3900 level on the 2-hour charts, which is going to be definitely a very strong resistance. 3800 very strong resistance, and then 3900, 840, 900, these are the two levels which are going to definitely be a stronger resistance. Beyond that, we will see it hitting 31000 levels if it tries to breach this. Directional movement bullish, stochastic comfortable, the MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts likewise, double top is done. Yes, it can reverse from here, achieving these levels. It can reverse from here, and then this time the reversal can be sharp, and which might take it below 30400 also. This zone at 3400 30350 is going to be definitely very strong support. Below that, it will directly land towards 30200 level. Now look at the direction movement, divergent and bullish, stochastic overbought, the MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is overbought on the 3-hour charts too. Now look at the 4-hour charts. After a minor retracement candle, see the red candle size is little bit increased, but possibly a candle can be expected, which can be, now see here the greener candle increasing in size, and hence you can expect another green candle which might in fact take it till towards 31000. You should not be shocked if it, even if it tries to achieve 31000. But where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy at 3740. Expect 3800, 840 as the next resistance, 3900 as the third resistance, and then 31000 levels will be seen. Take your positions accordingly. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic overbought, the MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards, and it is overbought too. Likewise on the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts here. It has breached the resistance at 3500 levels and trading above this resistance. Now where is the next destination? The next destination is 31,000, 31,200 levels. If not today, possibly by tomorrow it can try to achieve. Only bearishness is if it drops below 30,500 levels. This is one observation here. Second observation, it has opened flat and it has carried the momentum from the yesterday's bullish moves. This is second green candle, hence further third green candle can also be expected, which may take it till towards 31,200 and plus levels 31,200, 400. The next resistance zone should be very strong resistance. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, the MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards, RSI looking upwards. Considering this, 30,500 is the base case. Only below 30,500 you can expect another round of drop. See, it has achieved 250 points here. It can achieve 250 points on the downside. That will take it till towards 3250. Only and only if it drops below 3200 you can expect that we are looking forward to little bearishness there, and then you can expect 30,000 levels on the downside. Till the time it trades above 30,500 and specifically 30,400 levels, you cannot consider this as bearish. 30,400 is a very good support. Now also look at the charts here on the daily chart. See, it is trying to break past this channel. It has almost breached the channel here and it is now trying to trade above this channel. Where is the next resistance? It can try to go back till towards 30,000, 31,200, 31,500 levels. Hence you have to be cautious. You can buy at 3740, expect 800, 840, 900, 31,000. Till 31,000 it's fine. Beyond that you can remain long. For tomorrow also you can expect 31,200, 31,500 level to get achieved before it tries to take a drop from there. On the downside you can sell there today at 30,500 or you can sell there at 3,540 and then expect 3,500, 3,400 as the support and 3,350 as the support. Below 3,350 it will directly lend to 3,250 and 3,200. Very strong support at 3,250, 200. If it breaks this, it is going to remain bearish. Chances are less, but yes, possibility exists, and hence in between 3540 and 3740 do not trade. On the downside till 30,400 and 30,350 you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. Till the time it trades above 3,200 I will not expect it as bearish. I will not accept it as bearish. It can bounce back again on the upside, and hence you have to trade with a trailing stop loss till you are taking a short entry. On the upside about 3740 you can expect it to rise more. 31,000 can be expected, and in fact tomorrow also we can expect it to rise for 31,200, 31,400 and 500 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my signals group, join my mentorship batch, join my pattern page. All the links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.